Evening, everyone. It's Sunday night at 6:45. I waited to see what the futures were going to open at, and there's really very little of anything going on right now. As you can see, the gold is up $1. This was Friday's range, which was 1870 on the high and 1836.30 on the low. And right now we're just dead center in it again, just the way it closed on Friday night. There's little that I can say about it other than this looks to me to have been a successful test of the low, even though it broke below the 200-day moving average. I'm going to expand this out a little. And we did close under it. Actually, we closed under it that day too. 3 days we closed under it, which is 1 day more than we closed under it here. But if we can break to the upside through this area around 1874, 1875, I'm pretty certain that we'll at least see 19 and a quarter and possibly challenge these two highs. We burst through the downtrend line here, and the channel's been pretty decent. And the fact that we only went halfway down in what would have been the channel if we extended this out tells me that this market still looks like it wants to go higher to me. We don't have a position in it, but I will be taking a look at it, and I have a feeling that I'll probably go with the GLD as opposed to Newmont, but I will take a look and see what the options are costing at that point in time. Some other stuff, just to give you another look. Also in the metals, the platinum is up a little, up 380. It really hasn't pulled back anywhere near as much as the gold has. As you can see, we had a down-leaning channel in the gold. We have an up-leaning channel in the platinum, which is why we bought back roughly a quarter of our position in the PLG. That's the Platinum Inc., and they mine the platinum and palladium. So we're back in there. I think we had a $3.09 average in that. We sold it at $4.60. When we bought back some of it on Friday, it was $4.19. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. If I get another dip, I'll buy it. If it breaks to the upside, I'll buy it. The rest of the stuff doesn't really look like much. This is really your gold update, but I will give you a brief look around. Oil is unched. The nat gas, which we're long, is up 630 right now. The stock futures are not really doing much. The S&P up 775, NASDAQ up 36 and a quarter, and the Dow up 63. Everybody's favorite, Bitcoin, is down about 1,400. That's kind of in the same kind of situation as the gold, in that it's had a couple of very rangy days. I'll bring this out for you. We have a couple of very rangy days, and basically we closed near the high, and we're basically, about 2/3 up on that, but down 1,450. And there is nothing going on with the dollar or the bonds. So there you go. You have your Sunday night update. It was video number 607. And as always, I remind you to please hit the subscribe button. Hope everyone had a good weekend and that nobody bet on Green Bay.